Right now, I'm going to make my favorite cauliflower salad. I have this cut up cauliflower from yesterday when I made the same thing. I cut a cauliflower in half, I ate half of it. The other half got stuck into this little Tupper lid here. And it's very simple. First I'm going to dice up the garlic. I like to put 2 cloves or 1 big clove, not too much raw garlic. Too much raw garlic will actually irritate my stomach and give me gas. So I don't eat a bunch of it raw. I eat some, but not a lot. Raw onion can also irritate my stomach, so I don't eat a lot of it, and I make sure I eat it with other things. Like I have a salad with a lot of ingredients before I add raw onion. Put these in my compost bin. It's very simple. This is just made with garlic, olive oil. The flavoring is garlic, olive oil, lemon, salt, pepper. That's it. And what I'll do is I save the seeds and the skin, and I put the seeds and the skin of the lemon into my smoothies. I make some crazy health smoothies that, oh, seed! I don't plant these because these are not organic lemon seeds. When I have organic fruit seeds, I try to save them and plant them. In hopes of having some organic fruit trees or saplings. They're going to be saplings for a few years before they turn into trees. So far, I haven't grown a full tree out of any organic seeds that I've collected yet. I have some saplings. I have one thing that looks like it's possibly going to be considered a tree within the next couple years. But whether or not it's going to have fruit, I don't know. I'll have to see how it goes. So, lemon, save the skin and the seed, put some olive oil, and then this is already cut up, so I'm just going to put it in there. I don't think I need to cut, do I want to cut it even more? Nah, whatever, I'm just going to eat it all. So I love the taste of raw cauliflower. I love the taste of raw broccoli, and I'm careful about where I buy them from and how I clean them. One time I had organic raw cauliflower that tasted like mold. So after that, I bought it from the supermarket, and so if I buy organic raw cauliflower from the supermarket, I will wash it with soap and water. Other green leaf vegetables that I buy from the supermarket, if they're organic. Lately, the last couple times I tried making a salad out of them. The ones that are sold in bunches, not in bags. The ones sold in bunches tasted like they had some kind of chemical residue. I'm assuming that they added a sanitizer because of the COVID pandemic, and so they need to keep things extra clean. Well, I don't want to be eating chemical sanitizer in my salad. I don't like my salads tasting like chemical sanitizer, so I don't normally eat the bunched vegetables from the supermarket raw anymore. If I do, I wash them with soap and water. Just like this gets washed with, well, this one didn't get washed with soap and water because it's from Imperfect Produce. Where's my little stir thing? I had something I was going to stir it with, and I don't see it now. I lost my stirring chopsticks. Oh, I have them here. And here are the chopsticks I ate my crispy rice with. If you want to know how I made my crispy rice, you can go check out the video I made on how to make crispy rice snacks. And see, really simple raw cauliflower salad. The lemon pepper tastes really good. It's a nice, I like the sour and salty flavor. Okay, honestly, this would have been better if I cut it into smaller pieces. I should have cut it into smaller pieces and it needs more oil if I want it distributing evenly, because now I got like wads of salt. And there. I could put more oil, I could put more lemon juice. I'm just gonna go like this. I would rather have less seasoning and more cauliflower. I'm gonna eat this with some of the sourdough bread I made. I have a sourdough starter in the fridge, and I make bread on occasion. Maybe I'll make a video about the bread I make. And for sourdough, I totally recommend the website, The Perfect Loaf. That's where I get most of my, or all of my, actually almost all of my sourdough recipes. Crispy cauliflower. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please share, like, and subscribe. Also, let me know if you make this and how it turned out. So till next time, later.